Hey, I'm Stevie the Archer, and this is a quick guide how to buy your first traditional bow. First things first, don't waste much money on a first bow, but this guide will help you to choose right first bow. Let's be honest, you will never stay at one bow. We all did it. We all bought the first bow, bought the second bow, we said, that's it, and it's never over. We just keep on buying bows, reselling them, and it just escalates really quickly.
Boy, that escalated quickly.
So let's start with the first bow. First style of bow that I want to talk to you about is Metal Riser ILF rigs. Very good for the starters because if you're starting out, because they have adjustable tiller bolts. If you shoot 3-finger under, split finger, if you want to test on start which kind of shooting style you want, this is the bow to go with. And you can shoot it bare bow, put some recurve limbs, put some stabilizer on it, shoot string walking if you like it. If you don't like it, put some longbow limbs, like in this case, this is a Maibach Pathfinder with the longbow limbs. Shoots perfectly, it's very, very smooth, and you can go up in weight as you are progressing, as you're getting stronger. So, ILF rigs, very tunable, and extremely lots of options. You can put any types of ILF limbs on it. Longbow, recurve, doesn't matter, you have it everything in one bow. Next are the longbows. Very cheap, very cost effective. These bows, this is a Buck Trail, and this is a Oak Ridge Boga. Each of these bows are just slightly above $100. So cheap, but adjustability is not there. They're mostly tailored for Mediterranean style of shooting, and they're just stick with a string. Perfect for starters, but you cannot change the limbs. You cannot do anything with them except shoot, which is more or less okay. If you want a simple start in traditional archery, just do this. Buy, stick with a string. Next up, hunting style recurves. They are perfect for 3D. They are short. You have one piece as this Bear Grizzly. Perfect little bow. We have takedown with the limb bolts. You can take them apart. You can put them in a bag, take them to 3D archery. They are hunting style bows, which means they're extremely short, and they will make your life easier if you're in the woods. If you go to 3D tournaments, if you want to shoot 3D, if you want to shoot field archery, or if you are a hunter or you want to be a hunter, and you can get all kinds of different shapes and sizes of them. Takedown, we have one piece, and we have as well ILF rigs. So same thing, just with ILF system. So you can put all kinds of longbow, recurve, or any kinds of ILF limbs on them. Very versatile. You can still put a quiver on it, on your limbs, or tap the screws, or many of them they have screws for the quivers. If you are into field archery and if you wanna shoot a nice hunting style recurve or a longbow, the little short bows are for you. So if you ask me what kind of bow you should take as your first bow for traditional archery, I would definitely say go cheap. Go cheap, take something with exchangeable limbs. Black Hunter, Semix Sage, any of the Semix, there is all kinds of Semix, or some cheap ILF rig like we see ILF rig, which is adjustable. You can interchange the limbs. The most important thing on start small, start with 25, 30 pounds, and just work your way up. When you know what you like, test the longbow limbs, test the recurve limbs. When you know what fits to your shooting style, and when you find your shooting style, finally, definitely check some of these bows out and make your own opinion. Shoot straight, and see you next one.